So I just got this WIPHA baby carrier backpack. It's a wonderful backpack. It has a sun canopy that can protect the child, and I absolutely love it. It also has this strap at the back and a lot of harnesses to just protect you and the child as you wear it. So you can see there's a lot of space in there to put the child, and you can just fit it to size by adjusting the strap on the side. And as you can see, there are other compartments in there, lots of storage space. There's a compartment for food. So there's an insulated pocket. So if you see all that space, that is so much space in a baby carrier. If you open up that insulated pocket, you see that you can put bottles, food, and you can also see that there's another area right over here to store more things, and also to have the canopy to protect the child from the sun. So it goes right there. Okay, so on the side, you also have this reflector mirror, and it's really important when you go hiking to have stuff like that for glare of the sun. And I also like that it also has a waste. I call this a waste container where you can just put some stuff in there. So now she's ready to get in. This actually holds up to 50 pounds. She is 30 pounds right now. So it holds up perfectly. So the child's leg can go in the right way, and then you just adjust to size. And you can see I'm just adjusting to the size of the child. And we're so excited to get on it. She's ready to get on my back, and I can easily just take her and just lift her up from carrying the stuff, and I can just lift up and you can see how she fits comfortably right there. You can put the sun canopy on. We just didn't put it on this day, but it's there. This is a wonderful, wonderful tool, especially if you travel, if you hike. I absolutely love it, and it's so comfortable against my back, and I totally love it.